Welcome to this tutorial. How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Have you ever found yourself frustrated by restricted mode, limiting your viewing experience? You're not alone. Today, we're here to offer you a solution that will open up a whole new world of content on YouTube. Restricted mode, while well-intentioned, can sometimes be overly cautious and block videos that you actually want to see. In this video, we're going to walk you through a simple yet effective method to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Follow the steps as shown in this video. First, open up your web browser. Type youtube.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click at the top right. From the menu list, look for the Restricted Mode option. Click on the Restricted Mode option to open up the settings. You'll see a toggle switch next to Restricted Mode. Simply click on the switch to turn it off. After clicking the switch, you might be prompted to enter your YouTube account password for verification. Enter your password and click Submit or Enter to confirm your changes. Once you've done that, you should see the toggle switch change to indicate that restricted mode is now off. That's it. You've successfully turned off restricted mode on YouTube. You can now enjoy unrestricted access to all the content on YouTube. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.